Philippine Daily Inquirer, yung talent manager, pinangalanan na po yung 4 na mga abogado in honey trap case versus Recto. Ano man yan, Mr. Maravillas, na honey trap? Gustong painan, mga kababayan, ng babae, si Ralph Recto. Sinabi, mga kababayan, sa interview ng mainstream media ni Attorney Raymond Palad, counsel for the alleged pimp, reportedly contracted in a plot para siraan, mga kababayan, si Attorney Palad ito, yung handler ni Ramil Madriaga. Abogado pala, mga kababayan, ni Ramil Madriaga. So sabi dito, in a phone interview with Inquirer, Attorney Raymond Palad, counsel for the talent manager, identified only as alias Ken, said he went to the NBI headquarters in Pasay City.
Nagbabagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Bulsa! Opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa! What you see is what you get. You decide.
Hello po, mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. Kung yung mga Malita Boys bumaliktad na po, ito naman po yung balita tungkol sa gustong mag-blackmail kay Executive Secretary Ralph Recto. Ang sabi dito sa report na Philippine Daily Inquirer, yung talent manager, pinangalanan na po yung 4 na mga abogado in honey trap case versus Recto. Ano man yan, Mr. Maravillas, na honey trap? Gustong painan, mga kababayan, ng babae, si Ralph Recto. Nahuli kasi ito sa entrapment na talent manager. Ayon, ikinanta yung mga mastermind. The talent manager arrested in a human trafficking case has identified to the National Bureau of Investigation the 4 lawyers and their photographs, alleging they were tasked creating a script or fabricated statements for a honey trap plot targeting Executive Secretary Ralph Recto. Ginawa nga na buhay, mga kababayan, yung pambubudol, yung pambablackmail, mga kababayan, dito sa mga opisyal natin. So ito yung sinabi, mga kababayan, sa interview ng mainstream media ni Attorney Raymond Palad, counsel for the alleged pimp, reportedly contracted in a plot para siraan, mga kababayan, si Attorney Palad ito, yung handler ni Ramil Madriaga. Abogado pala, mga kababayan, ni Ramil Madriaga. So sabi dyan, Attorney Raymond Palad, counsel for the alleged pimp, reportedly contracted in a plot to discredit Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, confirms to BNP that his client has identified the 4 prominent lawyers allegedly involved in the scheme. Sa interview, mga kababayan, sabi ni Attorney Palad, mabigat itong ganitong identification ng mga lawyers kasi you can consider na mabigat yung planning, mabibigat yung mga personality na involved na talagang merong concerted effort against Executive Secretary Recto. Palad added that according to his client's supplemental affidavit submitted Thursday, the alleged pimp met with the 4 lawyers during two separate meetings at a restaurant in Quezon City noong July. The affidavit alleges that the lawyers were tasked with crafting scripts and affidavits that would supposedly be used as part of the alleged plot to discredit Recto. So sabi dito, in a phone interview with Inquirer, Attorney Raymond Palad, counsel for the talent manager, identified only as alias Ken, said he went to the NBI headquarters in Pasay City around 3:30 p.m. to assist his client in submitting a supplemental affidavit identifying the 4 lawyers. So nagkaroon ng recollection ng mga papele, ng mga places, events, and yung mga names. Basta na-check, na-verify yung identity ng 4 na lawyers. We check their photos online and positively na-identify sila ni client, ni alias Ken, sabi po ni Attorney Palad. Na-identify yung mga lawyers, name nila 4, and then that's why nag-execute kami ng supplemental affidavit for that purpose, sabi po niya. The lawyer also said his client voluntarily surrendered his mobile phone, which supposedly contains conversation with former Negros Oriental Representative Jacinto Jing Paras regarding the alleged modus for examination by the NBI. The talent manager told the Inquirer that lawyers were also present during his face-to-face meetings with Paras to plan the alleged scheme, in which 4 women would issue fabricated statements claiming that threat to force them to use illegal drugs and have sex with him. So sabi dito sa balita, 2 lawyers participated in their first meeting on July 15, while all 4 were present during the second meeting noong July 26 daw. Alias Ken also earlier said that the lawyers introduced themselves as representatives of Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Liviste, who was allegedly the financier of the honey trap plot. Both Liviste and Paras have since denied involvement in the supposed modus operandi. They are being subpoenaed by the NBI to shed light on the allegations, requiring them to appear next Tuesday after they failed to comply this Thursday. Hindi nag-attend kahapon. Meanwhile, NBI Director Melvin Matibag earlier said that the Bureau would also subpoena the lawyers once they were already identified. Pananagutan ninyo sa batas yung mga pinagagawa ninyo kabuktutan. Hindi kayo palalampasin ng ating gobyerno, ng ating mga authorities. Tama? Ay itong mga sinasabi ni Sara Duterte na lahat ng mga hindi daw sumasang-ayon sa kanila, hinaharas, tinatakot, tinitreten daw, pinagbabantaan, yung mga gawain ninyo, ibibigay ninyo sa Marcos administration. Pag hindi daw sumang-ayon sa Marcos administration, sa ating Pangulo, ang lahat hinaharas. Sabi ni Sara doon sa Davao, kahapon sa interview ng media, tinitretenan niya, puro may mga kinasangkutan silang mga katarantaduhan, krimen, di ba? Yung mga senador, tulad ni Marcoleta ni Jinggoy, sangkot sa korupsyon. Lander si Marcoleta, ganun din si Mike Defensor. Si Bato de la Rosa, crimes against humanity. Yung tatay mo, ganun din. Si Kibuloy, for extradition request na. May extradition request na si Kibuloy. Baka ilipat na pa Amerika. Human trafficking. Si Roque, ganun din. Si Bantag, alam na ninyo yung kaso. O si Tebes, nahuli na. Sino pa? Si Atungang hindi pa. Wanted pa. Mga kababayan. Ang susunod, yung iba pang mga senador na alam na ninyo kung sino-sino sila. Sangkot din mga kababayan. Kung hindi sa flood control scandal, ay the Senate is under attack para makatakas si Bato de la Rosa. Di ba? Marami sila. At ang karamihan dito kasi, mga kaalyado ni Sara Duterte. Kaya pinapalabas, this is a political persecution. Ito si Bato. Marcos has a standing order to have Bato de la Rosa arrested, sabi po ni Yusek Claire Castro kahapon. Dapat man. Ngayon, yung pinakalat nila na nahuli na daw si Bato, parte yun ng distraction sa impeachment. Pag sabi ko sa inyo, ang nagpakalat ng balita si Harry Roque, tapos yung kampo nila si Atty. Bundok, ay unreliable po. Puro propaganda, puro kasinungalingan po ang mga kwento nila. Huwag kayong maniwala sa kanilang mga kwento, mga kababayan.
Swimming and lifting cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Naing siya red mixed fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry, may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayos niya, Mr. Maravilla. Sa mga naghanap po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.